Happy Friday for all man we don't she don't now for before you television for see where today man it don't bring them since that today na Friday na day where would they ever get stranger for inside a Toure house and the stranger them they don't finish enter and any person he don't turn up for you on site. We get plenty thing them we don't happen for inside the week. So one them we don't shift them for corner. Meanwhile, so one them we don't carry them, put them for inside Kenya. Now way we could open them for country people them where they will miss the one way it happen for inside week. Where to be happen for inside week, we could talk them and where to happen for sharp morning time. We could start for that side for marché to the for inside Yaoundé. Now sharp morning time where business people them they don't be surprised, say they so council police them, they don't come, they carry all the kako, put them inside the camion, go with them. Why they carry them? Now because say they don't talk, say they so any business person he get for go and he shop for inside market, they decide for can decide for corner road, now way they talk say they so this market where they get for corner road for marché to the they overcost traffic and they bring people them for that side. So sharp morning time as we talk, it not be easy. Now inside Yaoundé we day. Another one where it don't work out for social media, for television and for radios, newspaper. Now this palaver, Janato where it don't enter prison for Koningi with the two picking them. Now for chapter for telephone where they suspect this woman Janabo say they so it don't thief telephone. Ye and you picking them. Now with the talk, it don't finish the make 1 week for inside prison for Yaoundé. And we could come out for that one. We could talk palaver this one. Now rich zone that means say quarter them where they get for Brook House of that side. This one now for opposite General Hospital for inside Yaoundé for play where they call them Ancien Air Force for that side from Goso for back now Wawawa. They say they so landslides it be happen for that side only small people them they run now way the SEO for Minfi it don't come out it talks say they so USSF it don't know hand for table say all man for that quarter it get for come out. We could talk again another danger zone now for side they call them for Chateau Mvobisi Chateau Mvobisi now way they talk say this so plenty people them they don't go be house for under stone and if that stone is shake it go be a national cry that now way with the call government for Cameroon me they look am whether this quarter where they call and say Chateau Mvobisi now place where people them they get for be house now this kind place where they make them people them they die careless for landslides. We could talk now palaver thief picking for site for Kribi, Gendarmerie Nationale and police they don't make investigation last then cash a person where a be victim say na he don't thief picking and the person now they say na the nearest neighbor as they ever talk say neighbor a helem neighbor so this neighbor a helem neighbor now for thief picking so now with the talk it there for Garon where they look now road for enter for inside Ngata. We could go now for site for Ngonswa now some quarter for site for Douala now for that site for Sizem Commissariat Sizem. What did happen? Gendarmerie Nationale that means Gendarmerie company number 1 for inside Douala it don't do fine work it go catch Mbanga and that means it go catch Mbanga from Ngonswa 50 kilogram 50 kilogram from Mbanga where they don't catch up and Gendarmerie Nationale it don't talk to this so even for side where they call them for Marché Congo that means say it shows say this so some people and there for that side where they make the same this business there was one for the nation woman where it gets 66 years ye on walk where they walk on for inside the group now for turn up for road time where motor for police the enter it call you picking them me then tell Banga enter inside a room and they talk to this so but then when they come to buy that manga they come with knife them come within them so with the time kito them for that one we go come up for that one now we talk palaver lock shop them for side for Limben now SDO for Fako it become out kata in the city mayor and mayor them then come out then turn the whole town they lock business place them lock even bank say they so they don't deny for open the business place for Monday say they don't respect ghost town now we all man it ask question say they so SDO don't come out with military police and gendarme for lock business place and we business people then too they try and they fear say they so if they open them for Monday they feel burn that business place and then the family could suffer. We could come out for that one we talk palava. This road for come out, enter for side for West region, now for side for Kenkem. They say they saw population of that side, they swim inside water. They say they don't turn now fish. Now we all man, if we come out quarter head, he call you people them meet and come for fix this place. So they don't fix some. Now this got a hole, it not the again for that side. We retire the population of that side for Kenkem for the good work, community work where they don't make them for say Mina Road Iwaka. For side for Bafosam, now insecurity and palava control where His Excellency Atanganji Paul, he become a cutter. Say Okada, he must get a close way carry number, and he must get Okada where Okada get all books, and again Okada get forget plate number, so that if he makes our watching for night or for daytime, they fit identify the person. So control, it don't start for side for Bafosam, and where they don't catch plenty in machine for that side. For side for Baham, now Janamiri National again, it don't catch people them. They did 7 in number. 1 woman inside where they talk to this one that the woman in the turn for the follow man picking them and then call you complete them, then can kidnap and then take plenty money them. So we retire Janamiri them for side for West region for that work. We could go now so for side for Northwest Cameroon for talk palava this one now for side for Baligam now it don't happen say with the health center where government it be bilam and then send doctor them for that health center for side for Baligam now where they talk to this all the doctor they choke people them with medicine where now overdose and it don't condemn plenty people them for that side condemn picking them picking for 3 weeks he don't die after where this contraband don't choke injection give paracetamol and where the picking is still getting 3 weeks. So trouble is there for that side and we do for that side for Santa again for come out can enter for that side for Baligam for look inside this matter. They say this so the doctor again for appear for commissariat for answer question for side for Oko so for side for Northwest Cameroon. Now this one where a Quifon alias Ngumba for side for Oko Palace it be come out after with this woman wait now we not massa. They say this so the woman we don't dig burying ground for bury massa alive. Now we Ngumba for side for Oko Palace it come out in a hand say this so this kind one they know we don't see her for Oko so they be turn last go for that set and then one time the woman it cover the grave it talks say this so if you want bury himself and he talk again say this so if you want bury na he picking where he head it the pongo inside. After that we could show that the new system where people them they use up for tip we for inside Cameroon they work now sibo picking them with knife but they don't show knife where you work for road they go show up for you and then take money for you. So now new style for people them for a tip now. Send story for sham morning time it talks say waiting. Send story for sham morning time it talks say if you see monkey a wear coat that means say imami a baby telo or yipa na telo. If you see monkey a wear coat if you mami no baby telo that means say yipa a baby telo. Person we send for win na share Peter we send for that side for Ndu and do it then inside Donga Mantum and na for side for Northwest Cameroon. Woman we support them na Ma Gladys we support them for side for Limbe it then for that side for Southwest and Southwest na for Cameroon. Nandenge we come back when I go see am all. We get new face. That means say first time for this countryman for enter for inside Tori House. And Tori House is now for Yaoundé for quarter where they can say Santa Barbara. We go talk come got from Mr. Hillary. How for countryman?
Come good General Moko. Come good to everybody who they follow us at this time.
Yes.
Country is the worker by the special grace of God.
So, yes.
I want to use this time for salute people all over the country where they follow us by this time. I don't go forget Prophet Francis in Congo, where they sit down for Douala, and they follow us. And Mr. Gaspar, where they for Mbankolo, where they follow us by this time.
Okay, countryman, you on work for inside country where it may come, you put chop for table. You on thing where you do them for life now.
For this point in time, na Okada where they put chop for my table.
Correct. So countryman, country people that were upside me when I know say they saw this countryman he on work where they don't put the head for inside. For now, for inside country na Okada. For my right hand, they call am na Tanto Tanda where it come up for Oko Palace and na USSF it ever come anytime with we for today as come go Tanto Tanda.
Thank you, General Moko. And they salute all my way she done for cheer for the look we for talk say Tori day from NJANGI House today. But when I look cheer, she don't find. If some a neighbor never put TV on, you thought she may put the TV on. So that when I follow Tori we there today.
Yes. So today she don't only quiet because we get for start now. They chapter the Toure in the proper. Chapter 1, now what don't happen for sharp morning time for Marché Etodi. Now inside the only as when I see traffic in the for that side, Okada people them, they don't wonder. Say this or this one. Now wait again. Good morning for inside the only. Now Council Police, they don't talk good morning for business people them where they say for corner road for side for Etodi market. Now in this way they don't come now for can't carry Kako. Any man way they don't put Kako for upside. It the time way for send inside and they don't talk say this so cancel for inside a Yaoundé. They don't talk say me person not sell for corner road but people them for side for machine boppy they don't deny for rent shop for inside market and then they sell for inside they decide now for lift market it is empty all them they don't come block the road. They decide that being a kako. That way cancel. They don't decide say this one. This one, you know, happen again. That way they carry the people that kako. They send them for inside the camion for take a go with them. Sometimes tada now you say self you take these videos. Wetty it really pass and in this thing where they make them it be normal for you or not be normal.
Yes, thank you, General Moko. When I be one reach for Marché today, when I be see the things with my skin over fine. My skin over fine why? Because sometimes they want come so. You will see all people they don't pack Kakosote carry for middle road. Where for even for Okada for pass in no day before we go be saying motor pass. You will struggle for power foot. So when I be saying so, the team over fine me. Road no be a road small. Market day people they leave market they can't save for road. And two we don't over talk. I thank God say we don't talk about the thing for this Tori has played the time and we don't talk and so. The council that they hear and they start do their work because if they clear that place very well, you get your shirt. Say inside shirt. You know must come out outside for pack for outside before man can say you get kako. So we will try for maintain order for market. Oh, maintain order for market. Oh, we go say fine. People that they pass, they go pass fine. People that they do their own, they will do them fine. So you know fine for camp say for inside road. So when I be see the way they do them now, fine work. We can't don't start do them. And I like and say when they do them, so when they not stop them, may they just continue for they do the work so that no place that they clean. Because dirty too they overflow for that place. When I do so the kind of thing that they happen. So if root up and fine, you go say they go to clean the dirty, the place go clean. So me cancel for Yaoundé, whether na Yaoundé 1 or na Yaoundé 2. May they continue with that their work fine. May they not stop them.
Okay. So, Mr. Hillary, when you look for them, you see they saw traffic with them for them and Okada people them. Then they say they saw they pack to for corner road and it they make them take people and they can pass inside them and then they move people that post. What you get for talk considering what we don't happen for Marché Etodi this morning time?
General, to tell you truth, way to go on, it be very good. Because before I reach here, I should say just around there, I don't spend more than 15 minutes for can reach for Ngomba House. So what the way Yaoundé 1 council to do, it be very, very important. This thing a very good work. We must get limits for everything what we do. Road, it be made now for people for use them, not before sell product on top. I should say all these people they get shop. What will be the cost of that shop? What will be the important for those business places where they get down? If they don't use the business place, they decide for go use the road. So in other words, to me, I say that they travel past and a bad message say that that shop where they get down it not be useful. That is why they decide for use road. So what the way council for Yaoundé want to do, I give them congratulations. Now so they continue supposed to do them for keep the town clean.
Okay. We could come on now, we leave that one, we talk palava this one. Nangondere we get 28-year-old woman, they call her Janabo, he come up for side for Garwa, now for that side for northern part for Cameroon, and now, in the number 5 day for central prison for inside the only, for Sika telephone, say this one, never for inside market, he don't talk say this so, this woman, he don't take the telephone, newspaper them, they don't talk them, and radio them, then too they don't talk them, and even television them, they don't show them. Now we all man for inside country, it talk for social media. Say even if it be now, the person where na SSF, if it be the enquêteur, if it get for talk self, say it is so nothing that way they pass than for send the woman and the two picking them for inside prison. Some good Samaritan if for fit by phone back up for the woman where it talk say this so they don't treat the telephone. This one, if it be a solution for send this woman for prison and you two picking them, dada. We here for you.
General, I want to ask them whether say they send na the woman you want or they don't send with picking them.
All will picking and day. You two picking and day for Pungata.
Yeah, then too if we talk and I say the law what they don't do is not fine. For me, it's not fine. Because not even for that woman wait thief. Not even at 5 francs. 5 francs not small. But they not get for one put the woman for prison, then they go put with the picking them. I hope say some place they will even they will do good and care, they take the picking and keep and make the woman go serve in prison term. Because you not fine for thief. If not true that woman a thief and they catch up, that woman get for go answer for that thief way a thief. But make government look way they feel protect that he picking them way he get them because you when you born picking, you know the born he had. Picking if you can, so that picking the day for them so they feel get different mentality now for their head. Say they won't go in for prison and nobody picking their own thief. So at the back say they don't do fine work for catch that woman for send her for prison. Because if the woman be thief now only 5 francs, he get for go answer for that 5 francs way he be thief. But make government look the way they could put that picking them. Put that picking them, make that picking them be fine. Because some kind of thing and they way, some kind of thief if you transfer for picking them. But if government handle that picking them fine, I hope say sometimes that picking them can road this Cameroon, sometimes it be like head of state for the Cameroon man not know.
So Mr. Eldari, woman it for prison, it go now 1 week because of telephone. And then you yourself let pick it for country. Now your sister that we come for northern part for country, it dey now for prison for secret telephone. Some people them they talk say this one I picking them, they will take the telephone, they can give them for their mommy. As you be sure say for send this woman and you two picking them for inside prison. Now solution for get back the telephone.
General, I want to ask him say that picking them, na the thief or na the woman thief?
They say na picking a non-pick phone, then give them for their mommy.
They say na picking they don't pick phone, they give for mommy. They say that means say they don't even hold the picking them. That way they pick the phone, give for mommy. Now for me, that picking they not commit crime because they just talk say without evidence. No evidence, no the show say that picking they don't thief. Where he warrant that picking them for being locked up for sale. I want to know something here, General.
Oh my brother, that picking them are underage. When they know the way they fit treat that picking them. Now that mommy answer for that thief for that telephone.
Now the place that where they come, General. That picking they get how old?
One he get 3 years, one he get 6.
You know, see, I say instead of government that they commit crime, that one a child abuse. Because government is supposed to lock picking for 3 years. That one a child abuse.
I think what picking they do, I don't know what they do. What they do. So they don't go forgive the picking doctrine, and then they sanction the mommy when you get the picking the and they be that for also plans. Okay, because picking if you can't do you something, you know how you come on and you take them. If you hide and that may say you don't now you the mommy, now you be the cause. But that mommy don't answer. But they don't leave that picking them.
So now we the blame now the enquêteur person where he don't take statement, where he don't send the woman for prison, or we the blame now the big man for prison where he don't receive person we picking them for inside prison. Man for
person for prison. It do not only what the can give
for you.
It not ever reject anything when they come because when you one person want go for prison now take cancel the issue book say me they take this person for prison. Where you know policeman never just carry person so he got time for police way, he got time for prison way, state council never authorize. So person for prison, if the woman now wait way, it boss don't give him for you. Where boss now who it boss now the state council. So state council where he send the picking them for prison. We don't write books and send the picking them for prison. The state council, it don't do a very wrong thing. I don't know whether Cameroon law they talk say they give for 3 years. For 2 years, it gave for prison. Because that one a minor age they never get sense. They never reason. They never the reason what they feel do. So when they talk say age for Cameroon they start we talk say they start for 16 years.
16 years.
Yes. Or we talk or sometimes it be at least be reasonable. It not be something say mommy go get with picking them. Pikin go take something you can't get for mommy, then they carry mommy with the pikin them 3 years and 2 years, they go lock up. It not be fine. It not be fine for me.
So we believe that one now. We talk now, palaver this one. Now, quarter them wait themselves the day for trouble for inside this country. Yaoundé and Douala, they say this. So after what will be happen for play with the column from Bankolo, they don't come now. Some landslides it be happen for opposite General Hospital for inside Yaoundé. Now for back this place where they come and say ancient Air Force. As when I see the house, it turn up so now for Yahweh. Air Force every day. So for back now all we could textile for enter for back. When I see if they talk for person say inside Yaoundé some quarter day we not get even road for Okada for pass, man it not go accept. Now only LTM go make them me when I see the talk because we do on now for make me when I see wait it was so that me will transform them. Me it dey fine. Now the quarter that we will see them. They talk say this so when you go the other side now for back some school where they can say Amidaf now name for some school they quarter it dey too now for back. When I see the quarter and baby has them they dey for inside the quarter and this quarter it dey now inside hole where it show say this so if landslides it happen sometime we go take the 2 months for look whether it is so people them they still dey for under the ground. When I see them now so it happen so all man for that side it don't be confused because SDO it don't come a book say this so any man wey dey for back and send Air Force say it get for give gap because they get for camp broken. Look the kind of house them when I go see road where it go for the quarter. That means any man will get Okada, it can't park on the road. Any man will get motor, the park on the road before it enter inside the quarter. Now, how's in that? We want to see him as we the show him. So, ATM, if you tell your camera, take time, a waka, konya, a go for that side, go for side with landslides, it be happen, but no person no die, but people them, they lost na their kako. Now, road this way, the enter for inside the quarter. If they talk say this so, some quarter, it is so for inside Yaoundé, when a capital, when I go accept. So now LTM they make now, me when I understand. Okada no fit pass, no fit climb here, and no fit go down for here, and motor no fit pass through this road. So now so the population they go down every day and every day. Now so it happen. So countryman, now to the man, we when I see him, we be work out with messenger for God, then go for it because for we talk to you, we don't see him. Now time this way we don't go reach for sideway, landslides it be happen where people them they dodge die. Now first time for Cameroon where yesterday so landslides don't happen, but person not die. Now how's that? Wait now some quarter head. Yes, he get the house, he don't know some, and he don't talk for those who are there for the other house. Say this so me then come out, leave the house because now when grow, it don't start decrease for that side. If it come crease now for night and then it keep people them. So don't talk say this so better than say me lost the house than for loss. Now people that where they should inside. So now wait they happen. Mr. Hillary chapter for landslides again for inside a Yaoundé and they don't talk say this so me all man it come out. These people then they come out so for go now for outside. When they talk to me, the any man come out, now say me then go for outside for if now say you be house for this quarter, and then they say me you come out, you could do how for go another place for Shidong.
General Moko,
I hear you.
For tell you truth, all we dey against this kind of action. Why are they talk so landslide a very big trouble for Cameroon as a nation? No be small trouble. And therefore Limbe last 2 years when landslide occur, people lost their life. Well, what will happen for Bankolo? I'll be there present when it happened. Because I get my friend when he died for that incident. What they call as Obajo. So this one a very big problem for inside Cameroon. But we get one problem. The point with the problem, before government, I think that before government will ask people for come out, there must be a place where government don't preserve for the people. Because I sure say, before the people want to build house for these places, council for that quarter already know. Council sell that land. Council approve the building. Now if government they come now for quit the people for side, they don't go keep them. They don't prepare a place for them or they'll leave the people frustrated. Now one question that. Where our government supposed to answer? Where our country supposed to tell us? Because it's not easy. If they know, say this place that's so they're not supposed to approve them, maybe people they build house. Now when people they already build, they don't start life. Yes, the place is dangerous. The place that danger place. But I think the government supposed to prepare a place where when these people they come out, they go stay there. So for me, that is what I think I say they're supposed to do.
We go still come on now. We no go give talk for tanto tanda. We give talk now. We go enter another quarter again for inside Yaoundé. They call and say Chateau Vobisi. Now inside Yaoundé, where people then they don't go be house for understone, and they say they so that side of a bit risky pass even Bankolo as one of the CM and talk in the interview for inside to the house. Say they so for this place where they say so plenty. Nangomna worker them where they don't go be for that side. Other people then they talk say they so na military them they don't be for that quarter where they show say they so for Cambrook them it goes strong. Now we all man it ask question whether they so if you military man, police or gendarme, you get for go bill for risk zone where tomorrow if he are picking them, say me cancel for inside Yaoundé. He try for look inside this matter for this quarter for Chateau and Vobisi because they no want bury people again. Tanto tanda, I be sure say it is so you know this place. Fine. What you never talk, it be normal. Say me these people and go be for this place.
Thank you, General Moko. How we everything make sure say me they show all thing. Now fine thing so. But some people in there, so I don't know what people they keep their sense for which side. What people the person they want bill as you know say tomorrow go die. So many Zoom then they plenty General Moko. So one day for na call based on Mendo was stone don't crack so big stone don't crack. But people then be under when they that stone can come to work. It go keep plenty people them. Even Minister of Territorial Administration, don't climb for that place. They don't talk about people they know the year. I don't know why when Cameroon government decide to do something, they just do it immediately. Finish. They talk until we go say and say it don't happen. Well, they know say it can't happen. Until when they say it go happen. Before you start saying they don't go for the now for the take precaution them. Me have it talk say Cameroon government we don't see places like danger zone so. We don't give notice for people that say they come up for day. And then some people they some people they use their money for bribe. Do your work immediately. And before you want to do your work, Cameroon government, look and say, at least I don't want, as my brother, but don't talk for day. You don't want look for land and they plenty will be vast land for your own year. Where if you at least keep and say, this kind of people they do for risky zone. Now for year they give for the transfer, they made they build their houses them for that place. Well, government they ask them any money. Even government if support themselves for build their for build house for day. So what are they talking and say? My brothers, my sister, them I beg. Even now when I dey for that risky zone, they sing song for when I every day when I know the year. When I want to make the ever one day can take now when I comes as they be take about Bankolo. I beg when I begin find place they for be before government ever because government come on government they not go away they will take it time for do something. When I begin find different places for the B for find for B when I house for she done for day. Thank you, General Moko.
We go into now for this one. Palava chief picking for inside country again. For side for Kribi. Now so it be happen. I say we don't take we go for side for Kribi. Confusion if you there for Kribi. Time where the yesterday so picking no loss. Papa if you there for one man country and the woman if you don't send a photo say this so this picking now picking where I just come out for Bonham. Now so Papa it is send money. It is send money. Then way it don't come for Cameroon now. He say this so he want go make play with picking them for corner water for side for Kribi. Now so the woman he don't give the picking for you. Time where he go reach for inside people them now so they discover the picking say this so this one now picking for my neighbor how manage he did not for this man where we don't know this man for side for Kribi now he will confusion be there now the man that we he tell for the way he did not for police the and some the girl where be na girlfriend where before the band say this so he self he don't born picking we now he picking so now confusion that way there now the man that we he dey one man country don't come for go play with picking for corner water he can't be now say he don't take the picking countryman Mr. Hillary chapter 40 picking for inside country na say mami e be careless or na papa be careless.
General Moko,
we hear you.
I no go fit talk say the mami e careless. I no go talk say the papa be careless.
Yes.
But what I go talk na say there can never be smoke without fire. Something must happen. If you trace am very well from what you just try for talk now, you go understand say the man if he don't show you to go out with that woman. So I think say it may be the woman feel frustrated. That is why she decide to go to that length for take that child. I don't know if the man if be last time that the woman will marry him, he born the pikin for you or na another woman. I bet try to explain that for me to understand you well.
The pikin na pikin for neighbor. And then girlfriend it is she done with neighbor for one ministry. So now for the way pikin it disappear. So the man one come one man country now, he call the woman, the girlfriend say this so if you want go play with picking them for corner, what time he will bring picking gangi, he want come out with picking for Junction. all man they had and I say na picking this way they be define them. So Tanda.
Yes, General Moko, I guess something for already talk about that issue for Chief Pikin.
Yes.
Now thing where it don't happen and I don't witness and for I witness on one from Kumbade.
Yes.
It be so when the woman then is a bit very very dangerous.
Okay.
As woman don't take belly with man Pikin.
Yes.
Man Pikin leave go one man country. He leave back say and say the man Pikin go stay for one man country over. He get for making enjoyment. He can move the belly. One man Pikin there for one man country. Don't say the woman there with the belly. Why we don't move the belly? So now the woman no be no say sometimes that man ever come quick as it be. So the woman Pikin they make enjoyment. After that woman don't hear say that master get for come. And sometimes we know say that master if just come if it be something like a few days, then you go back. It is like go till that Pikin. And sometimes if you want detail, you get them just for your mind say when you go till that Pikin, when that master comes so you like enjoy go leave money for you about Pikin. Sometimes you want go back, he go give back the Pikin. But so one of days they be very serious. So one of they be a serious thing. But when you want check and behind it, you will see something will be very very serious. Jeramoko will not be a normal thing. Wait, the person don't go till that Pikin so sometimes don't till that Pikin so you get some M. Sometimes if you want till that Pikin so you and that master say they for one man country we get to come they get some plan about it. So now what you have he try for contribute.
Okay. We could leave that one now. We talk about this one now from Gonswa. Where it happen Gonswa na some quarter we dey for side for Douala and then inside Douala too. So the talk say this so confusion if you dey for that side time wey Gendarmerie Nationale it don't enter quarter. Any man it the time way for run and then a hide. Now way Gendarmerie Nationale it can block some house. A common thing where they come and say Mbanga where they put a kilo away 50 kilogram. So thing where it don't make population the vex they say even for Makia then come out knife them for that side with Mbanga too. Na Gendarmerie Nationale for company number one for side for the walla it don't make this kind of work. All man for that side be glad time way then come out this Mbanga. But thing where it don't pass people there, mommy where you say it be been a good Samaritan and it ever do fine work for that quarter and Gonswa. They meet up for inside the group where the show say this so mommy it ever the turn be on the road time we see police motor enter it call people that when they get Mbanga say me then run hide but they don't last they can't take my mommy it go show us so when you look at me you see this so small picking them na themselves they make this barrel and they talk say this so Manga it come on for side for northwest but they catch them for side for inside Douala na the mommy that way you see them. If you see for road, they talk say this, so mommy, you and them, you know, ever clean, you know, if you accept. So, Tanda, now in that mommy for 66 years, they make this kind of work. Wait, you get for talk.
You know, damage in Ramoko, you know, say most of them mommy them, you want check on the highest transporter them from Banga for Cameroon here, right from Kumbu, pass with them for Bamenda, come with them for Douala, you say a woman them. The highest, na woman them, I don't see them. So, you know, if you surprise me, say, you will see a mommy like that one. Now say when the one talk say 99 days for it, one day it can be for the owner. If it be so that mommy don't make some corner, some person here for corner road, Singare police, send the mommy down so it control. And once so most of the business from Banga then if even that mommy said they supply for inside that market, they can't give you the money. So what to the gendarmerie for Douala, whether na for which place they don't do them fine. And I hope say when they go take the Banga so the Banga will go. They go burn and destroy them because so on and days when you see and so Jeramoko when they don't go see and so one go time they say they share man they carry go I brought see on Yanda for Kumbu that Yanda last die we been a walk we been always catch manga when they go from Gonson he go catch manga you want go inside for inside brigade he say I don't pack him he want be for night that Yanda he get moto he dey load am for inside moto go sell am so now why that they talk say they don't do fine work and make the community go do the fine work but make they don't do the fine work take the manga again go sell am again for the other side.
So, Mr. Ubari, Banga will come over side for Northwest, according to the gendarme for the escadron. He don't talk city, so the Banga come up for side for Northwest and he come up to for West region. For come up for side for Northwest can enter for the Douala. Plenty control. They say this so now more than 20 something controls and target. Why they not catch them for road? Now inside town they can't catch them. That means those where they do for checkpoint they don't do their work.
General Mboko.
We hear you.
One truth na say for what this officer that for Douala they do, I like am sote.
Okay.
Because Banga it be against our law. For our law for Cameroon, we know they use Banga.
Yes.
So now good work where the people for Douala they do. But for the question where you ask, how manage the banger leave Bamenda, reach Douala, they no see him? It's a very good question. Now they say, that is what we got to understand, say, there is no way, I mean say, there is no way when truck if you work out without a house. He must always carry a house along. What did that mean? It means, say, from my own view, at the system, it may be some of the officers them for road, they know about the business. Because there is no way they will carry this kind of quantity for bank up, commode Bamenda, reach Douala without the knowledge of the officer. Like I say, pattern don't just write it talk. So tell you some of them give you transporter. No man of it talk. Because the country where they live inside, seriously, we have to be very, very careful. Because anything will happen.
Anything will happen, but we know the president means something happen because Cameroon na country. We moto na peace work for the land. We come on now, we interside for Southwest, now for place where they call them for Fako, for inside Limbe, where SDO for site for Fako with the city mayor, and mayor them for site for Limbe. All them they become outside with police, gendarme, and army. Then Tonton, then lock a business place them. Why they lock them? They say they so. SDO don't discover, say they so some business place them, you know, they open for Monday, say they respect country Sunday as they call them for side for Southwest and for Northwest. So they talk, say they so any business place where you know open, they mag your name, and now why that way? SDO, it don't come out, cancel them. They see bank, see shops, see Kankare, and then see even play with the research shop, restaurant, as when I see it work on that side. So plenty people them, they're surprised, say why this kind of thing, it could happen now, and where this matter, Northwest and Southwest, if we start for 2016, why now for 2023, where the see shop, say they respect Mondays, with na country Sunday. Tanda, business people them, they vex for the action where the SDO for Fako, it don't do harm. And where SDO is only doing a work, where command here, it come up for inside Yaoundé. People them they don't vex say no na so it be get for work.
People then get for the vex, General Moko.
Why they get for the vex?
We declare every day, say me they solve this problem where they for Northwest and South.
They never solve, huh?
They don't solve which can we.
They don't solve national dialogue.
Leave from General Moko. I bet you don't leave me down. I know one vex.
No, they don't come national dialogue.
They don't solve it. It don't solve it. The national dialogue don't solve it. It don't solve anything.
It don't bring
yeah, we don't tell them how they feel call the national dialogue. We don't tell them the kind of people that they feel call them for solve the problem they have to and so I don't tell you say go for inferior villages them, call chop pusher them, call bike rider them, call chief them, call quarterhead them. No call people they can't don't for under climatizer. They turn for their children say they stop problem. What money they now only the money they come now only they swallow them. But my first talk about the selling of shop them for Limbe. I want to tell you General Moko. All that whether do they do them. Whether they give in a command say me then if give command say me sell them because it do them because you get the powers as a do for do them. Well you know it will be very wrong because he could do them so he never put 50 he gave for put 50 security there for each home for Limbe.
For each way.
He gave for put 50 security officer them. They gave for the guide each home as the guide.
Okay, one person.
Yes, in the work for this so the guide. Now so that people they stay for their houses. They know they guide them. When they go guide them, 50 soldiers they go guide you. They will come open their market sale, go sleep out for their house peacefully. Because if they not come burn at their shop, they go guide them for their inside their house, do some kind of thing. And they go lost. And people they don't lost plenty. Well, I know who say we still get for the media kind of foolish. We don't get for the media kind of foolish. We get for preach about peace. Preach about peace. Make people they learn. Say I live. We get for live in peace. Than for the work I say people that shop them. Not be the people that start the war with them for Northwest and Southwest. And not be the people that declare the war with them for Northwest and Southwest. We will find a solution for Northwest and Southwest. We don't talk about this. I say we don't overcry. Till them come out. We don't overcry. Blood they come out. Small time that blood go finish. With the cry say make peace come. If that blood go finish, the peace don't come. Sometimes it will be at a different level. It will climb to a different level.
Mr. Hillary. SDO for side for Fako, he don't say these people them they know they respect what the way government is the talk, but they respect nothing way people them where they do for inside bush where they get gone, they talk say this so mean they're not open for Monday and they don't hear enough for them. So it don't make a now the SDO he face he don't twist, he say this so he get for sure the example, say this so any person where you know the open he go log his shop, me they can meet you for office for say me you know them talk. What way SDO they do they do like work, and what the business people them they do they don't make mistake for the not the open for Mondays according to what way SDO they talk.
General Moko, I want to ask you one question. The SGO there for that place for the people, their peace and happiness, or for their pain and tears?
SGO na the govern all man for that site for Fako, and na be oga kwata where the show say this so anything we see say no the waka na could try for make as me a worker. So don't lock shop now for say me all man come me na them she don't do amen. He could tell and say any Monday you get for open so that me be near people them the bride kako. So you see say this so no na good work way to do.
I want to ask this question, say they for the people their happiness or for their pain?
You ask you go answer.
Because why are they ask this question? Yeah?
Yes.
Because maybe today this crisis start.
Yes.
We no fit deny them. We no fit pretend.
Okay.
We no fit lie. This crisis will go over about 7 years today.
Yes.
Where it start? So if today the SGO they go out, they lock shops for people, like I swear my brother Tanto just talk, it means they can put more than even 50 security for each house.
Yes.
Because the SGO itself is well protected, is well guided.
Yes.
You know the worker with arms. And the people where they get those business places, nobody get even rubber gun.
Yes.
Nobody get even rubber gun.
Yes.
Where if you use that for defend yourself.
Yes.
And now if SGO they push the people to go out, what will be the outcome of the people? Let me tell you something. So one man there, I don't stay for Libya for 10 years. So one man there where if they stay for get a street called and cassava farms. When this crisis start,
Yes.
that man is always open on Mondays. I will not lie you. It was on the broad daylight. Those boys they pick the boy when nobody knows how they come out. They take him inside bush, they cut him for a back. Every part of his body was bleeded. They said that they giving a warning. And if today SJ they go to lock the shop of these people then, if they close their shop, what did they think come? What if they work? That's why I say they work for their peace, for the happiness of the people, or for the pains of the people. Because to me it's not correct.
Okay. We could not now people because time is on the show say this will go catch we. Now with the internal for Palava Barrel for site for Kenkem. This one, Tando Tanda, you look you see say this so people in the south of that side transport fare we get for cover for Kenkem. Go reach for the next village, it will be 700 francs, but now it don't go for 2,000. Now we quarter head for site for Kenkem. It don't come out. It call the people them say me they try for lock this big fish pump where it there for road and then so that many people them could pass. And this one now road where people them be use them for go reach for site for Baminda. Time where government don't create now road where they pass through Chang. We don't forget about the road for site for Kenkem. So now we all man it talk say this so time where population go fix them, told that it could come back for site for Kenkem because of motor them could pass for that side. See the way we Okada them they swim for inside water. Now for middle road and the road now road are calling to the talk where people in the talk for that side. Wait till you get for talk for 30 seconds so that me will catch time.
Yes, General, do a big shame for Cameroon. A big shame for Cameroon say when you want to fix another thing, you abandon another one. When you fix another thing, you reduce the population where they pass for that road so that at least the road could be stay long. Maintain back the other one we don't start up. So I only call on people for that place say when I don't continue for doing a work. This country they sick there all over. That sickness sick way it is sick all over. I don't catch all over. So no to know that if you talk all Cameroon when I see I'm gonna hide them. They destroy when I see we don't cry for this Toure has plenty time. So we not get for the over talk about in a sick way it don't catch Cameroon government. When I don't get for the see the way anyone spoil for when I place when I try for the fix them. When I try for the fix them. Even they when I try for even Tara and said, oh we Tara was say whether they can destroy them.
So, we go now for the next one. We concern we come be Mr. Hillary. Me will go for Bafosam. This one Nakata where it will happen for that side for Bafosam. Na Janamiri National versus Bodem for inside Don Quata. Now we talk to this so Okada people then where they not get close. We carry number. We come up from Gomna and we not get Okada where it get plate number. That me say then get for carry go put for inside play with the column for Fourier. Now in this boy it is suspect. According to Wetiway, way, big man for Jalamedi, he talk because time when they don't hold the bike, they say we show paper, amen, they say one pack am, time when if the one look am, the boy don't start machine, they gonna go, then follow am for sure say this so they will use plenty money for train the gendarme them, then catch am one time, can't see the way they match am, and we can open a court, it talk say you not get for not any person at all, but we don't see am how they don't agree, and they don't carry, he can't put them for inside their pickup, one time, they get for go town for sell, population for outside, they don't come up for upside, say this so, but at Tanganyi, when a minister, if you don't come up commander, say this so, any man will get Okada, will work out with them, he get forget all your document, and he get forget the ID card, driving license, and then make sure say this so, a close way to get them for skin, now close way come up for council, we carry number, and the talk say this so, the next town for control could be Douala, and number 3 town for control, it could be inside Yaoundé. So Mr. Hilary, where you walk na Okada, you don't really make your paper them because what we will say for Bafasam, if you enter for inside Yaoundé, it goes strong. You don't make all your paper and you don't be ready, you get a close, where it carry a number, where you come up for council.
General Moko.
Yes, now action that.
I want to tell you, say, the law where the Minister of Territorial Administration, he passed a very good one. Because I believe say from there, we go feel for know who be bike rider and who no be bike rider. But I get one problem for inside this field. Because na place that way they give, where they defeat some of us, as me in particular, na there the chop. So this one a very big talk, where government supposed also to see for we, the bike rider. I get my gilet, as well they call them. But now you talk about the driver's license and any other document. The driver license and any other, the bike license and every other document. I don't ever find out, as I say, this document will comprise almost 100,000. It's not easy. It's not easy at all.
Now you once talk my brother as you talk saying a very good law way Minister of Territorial Administration don't move but sometimes when they move law, they get already follow how the law get for
be.
Yeah, because they talk about thief, only talking about motorbike. But they don't know say the highest thief na inside taxi too for town here.
That is what that place that
the highest thief na the inside taxi for town here and even clando them. So minister, you get for check 2 side for taxi them. You get for check 2 side for clando them because people that inside taxi them when they work for 9 or not people that they for aggressive people them.
Yes.
Like my brother General Moko for here na taxi but don't aggressive ye no be even bike.
Yeah, but when you look for inside Santa Barbara, say we for inside Santa Barbara, every minute person they cry and mostly na woman then where they stand when they hold back na on top Okada man they just start Okada can't wipe the telephone can't see the back go with them. That is the so inside the Okada people them some people them not cheap people them meanwhile the other one them they not be cheap people.
General Moko, I don't try for talk and say the law is good. Where minister don't move on.
Yes.
But what they try to understand, they told they're supposed to look into us. Not be everybody where in the right bike, not be bike rider.
Okay.
Not be everybody where they on top bike, na bike rider. People they use that bike now for that purpose. They don't be rider.
Okay.
So they don't carry other people their crime. Come put that for we. What they do, bike people are very responsible people.
Okay.
Any irresponsible person where they use bike, not be bike rider.
Okay. So we'll look that one now. We talk about this one where we have put for side for Oko. They say this so some woman a dig bedding ground, a one bury husband alive. It not be easy at all. Now we traditional holder them, we chief them, they will come out. They say this so then Gumba and Kwefon. He says he get for come outside. He called the population of outside from Bonkwe according to the way they call the name for the village. Now they will go for a market for Alak Oko where this Gumba he will come out. He gather all man as you see population flop after now then carry him. They say this so the woman he get for go flop he burying ground where be one bury husband and when a title holder for Oko Palace. So that time they can catch you come up for side for Oko. Wait if it really pass and wait if it make this woman take decision for bury her husband alive.
First of all, General Moko, thank you for the image we don't show am. For the talk say woman Gumba for Oko don't already take decision it they had before you did comment, but now with the show for TV we get for the talk about it now so. Gumba for Oko na thing where they don't born me way they don't get some court way that court be where they judge for day and they don't judge the favor any person when they judge a heart, they go for mixing, go check and whether it be in a heart. So what you have to talk and I say, what you do woman, the sanction for this woman, nothing where the woman don't care because woman for tradition for Oku, woman not supposed for dig grave.
Yeah.
Just because of that one, that woman don't dig grave. What I one bury na Pikino, what I one bury na Masao, just that one see you don't dig grave. That means you did that grave for bury person inside.
Now the woman that for before.
Yeah, now the woman that for before.
And the man that way to follow for back and when a title holder.
And what you have to talk and I say, again for they take this time for the time Gumba for Oko for what would they do them? Because when you see Nigeria Moko, like the pa, he don't can report that case for palace. You go see as if Gumba go move Chinda or Waka 40 kilometers of foot. Only for go take the woman or for go take person say they don't report you. You get for beef for don't Gumba for so thing. Gumba they ask 5 pounds per person. Even found Gumba they ask them. He go judge and so send them this person. Send the person. They ask no nothing. So what you want Gumba for Oko to do very good work. And what you that woman don't do and first for degree woman for Oko for the tradition for Oko woman they have a degree before be say better woman the degree say one bury picking and one bury other one bury master for day. Now very bad thing when Gumba for Oko what you want Gumba for Oko don't do na very good work.
Okay, Tata, we get for come up because time don't catch we. Yeah, last talk me you talk because we don't say this so Oko people them they don't start they buy the cat for development for develop their site.
Yes, General Boko, I could really thank you so much how we don't give me that opportunity. I really call for Molo them for Oko. Call and friend them for Oko. Like Lambe Kevin, when they call me for us about the cat. Lambe Kevin begin with their cat in the camp. I really talk for Molo, they talk for all man say, may they support that time they will support Oko. That time they will support fund for Oko, a dynamic fund. It won't be a palace in such a way if Molo one can enter a palace or no say at least it come for palace. Talk say cat then day. Cat then day when they sell them. When any Molo, any friend for Oko, if you buy say that cat, if you buy that cat even for 100 million, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million for support Oko. I really beg for standing to talk say all Oko people them. When they day, man make sure say make it get that on cat for your pocket. More will be Oko be like fever way.
Okay. So Mr. Hillary, come good for today house. You are on last talk because with the commander come out. Wait till you get for talk like last talk.
My last talk go back for my sector for the Okada rider.
Yes.
I want for Beck say, may the minister is see into the responsible bike rider them, may they bring down the cost price for those documents. Because for pick up 100,000, not be small money for comprise those documents. It plenty for we. And I want also for use this opportunity for talk say, I did try for invite the population. For
so yes, my brother, I'm not the cut you short. Now they cut that so way, it there for skin, all man see them. When you buy that car so they go feel your name. They go feel your name for them. Feel your amount we don't give them. So I call on all friend them, all Oko people that say, now they cut that way there. Any man make sure say make the card there for inside a pocket like on ID card for Oko.
So as I be the travel talk, may they bring down the cost price. I think say if they give us that price for make those document with 50 or 60,000, it could be important for us because people like us, some of us, we get picking. I'm a father, I have children, and my children they are living on that bike. That I have a responsibility. So with all this and then to me the law it comes so prompt. So I just beg the government to bring them down. And for that, thank you to Namboko for this wonderful opportunity where they bring us together. At least we talk about the nation as well. May God bless us in Jesus' name.
Amen.
So now, so we happen now the small one. We will get time for country people them today. Today will be a Friday, and we not say this on the last Friday for Inside the Month. We yes, now the last Friday for Inside the Month where we did it number 10 month. There another Friday we could come. It will be now for number 11 month. We will also get stranger than for inside country. So we return any man we follow we for upside today. Say he get for blessing in the proper. Those way they support the program with sense today with videos. With report for the onside, we they thank them plenty. And for Sunday, now they will meet up for that side for PMI for time for me in Changi. He on place because ne of weekend it make a mini cultural week for that side way. Ne go dance, Kila go dance, and then Joe go dance. Even Kishe for weekend go dance, and folk for weekend go there for that side. So plenty people go there. Man will turn up the head boy in She Kimbi Sakwa. Takwa, we go there for that side. We share Tashe, yes, Tashe and Chanji Derek, all them they go there for that side. So we invite all my come for that side. Can see thing where they can say a culture. So anyhow we there with the talk say this. So you want to make any video, you hold your phone now. So make them and then you send them for we. For Monday we could turn back again for talk. Palava this one will happen for Sa village when Bororo them bring them wound people them they did for hospital for site from Cambe. Other one Joe from site from Cambe, Joe Central. It will go for that side. Go look how the matter is the worker. So with the time person with the can say Shea Jones Yembe, yes, His Excellency Shea Jones Yembe, and with the salute to a person with the can say Dr. Shea Luis and Dr. Maji. Dr. Maji we did for that side for St. Cantes with the salute to Emmanuel Takwa, we did for that side for Central Bar, we salute Oman for Ansen Sonen Kolulu, with the salute to Madame Glory we did for Central Bar, we greet Oman for Kanabasi, Le Shea Edimos Nchanji, they watch their program. So we thank Oman for Choko Kam, for Bernard, we there for Choko Kam, they watch the program with the salute to Mami Miriam, we there for that side for Kanabasi, Nke Soto, we there for that side too for Kanabasi, with Mopao, we na show doctor for Kilo Medicine, all them, they don't miss the program. Then they call you say, Lande Sewe, na bonbon chocolate for all Nana for LTM, na anyway, it is match button for this program every day. So they call me na General Marco, the under general for Cameroon, we it work on now with broom for sweep all dirty way there for inside country, so that me country it is shine, me it not the smell. If it tell you today, it not go tell you tomorrow, it go tell your neighbor. Anyhow we day, if we not see we back, that means say brother, it there for front. Happy weekend, we don't go.
Yes,